Moving furniture in Warren, Michigan doesn't have to be stressful. Whether it's across town or to a new home, the right movers make all the difference. Today, I'm sharing tips to make your move smooth and how 3 movers can help get your furniture there safely and efficiently. Furniture isn't just heavy. Some pieces are delicate, bulky, or even sentimental. Professional movers know the right techniques and equipment to prevent damage to both your furniture and your home. This expertise saves time, stress, and potential repair costs. In choosing movers, check for transparent pricing, trained crews, and positive local reviews. Ask about insurance coverage and make sure they have experience with furniture moves specifically. A little research up front keeps your moving day hassle-free. Prep makes all the difference. Label your boxes, disassemble large furniture if needed, and clear walkways to make moving easier. If you're unsure about moving a heavy piece, the crew can help. They're trained to handle even tricky furniture safely. Moving furniture in Warren, MI is stress-free when you plan ahead and choose the right team. Check the link below for a free quote from 3 movers and get your move started with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more moving tips.